Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay. How are you all?
Fine.
Okay. I hope you all are fine. Okay. Today, uh, English subject. Okay. In the English unit number 7, traffic rules.
Yes, teacher.
This topic
Yes,
is already
teacher.
discussed in other teachers. Okay. Now today we will revise this lesson, traffic rules. Understand everyone? Okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, beta. Very good. Standard first subject English traffic rules. Okay, traffic rules. Know about the traffic rules. Why? For the protection and prevention of road accidents. Okay, we should know about the traffic rules. Okay, now in unit 7, lesson 1, traffic rules. Listen, learn, and read aloud. Okay, now first I read. When you go out into the street in your vehicles or on your feet, look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure, and fine. To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Traffic signal vehicles. Red. If a signal changes to the color red, stop at once. Don't go ahead. Yellow. Get ready. Be carefully when it turns yellow. Green. When it turns green, it is safe to go. Obey the rules without much fuss and reach home safe. You are precious. Okay, children? Now, I explain each stanza. Okay? When you go out into the street in your vehicles, on your things. Okay? If you go out from your home to the street, okay, by using your vehicles or by on your feet. Look out for each traffic signs. Look here and there. Here and there is a traffic sign is there to keep you safe, secure, and fine. Fine. Okay. Why the traffic signal is there? The traffic signals for us to keep us a safe, secure, and fine. To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Okay, while crossing on the road, see there's a zebra crossing. The color of zebra crossing, black and white.
Black and white.
Black and white. We use the zebra crossing. Okay, by walking on the road. Now, traffic signals for vehicles. Here there is a signals given red, yellow, and green. If a signals change to the color red, if the signals show the color red, that means all the vehicles have stopped at once and don't go ahead. If the signals change into the turns green, okay, get ready. Be carefully when it turns yellow. If the signal turns red, green, when it turns green, it is safe to go. Obey the rules without much fuss. Fuss means, what is a fuss? Fuss means unnecessary excitement. Gadbad. Okay, in Hindi, and say you are the. It is a very important and very valuable. Okay, everyone. Okay, now see.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, when you go out into the street in your vehicles on your feet, the rhyming word is street and feet. Look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure, and fine. What is the rhyming word? Sign and fine.
And five.
To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Rhyming word, walking and crossing. So these are all the rhyming words. This stanza. Street, feet, sign, fine, walking, and crossing. Understood, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
You know the meanings of vehicles. Street means road. Feet, that means your legs. Sign, fine, walking, crossing. Okay. Now the signal red. Okay.
Stop.
When the signal turns red, all the vehicles have to be stopped. Okay. All the vehicles have to be stopped. When the signal show the red.
Stop.
Okay. All the vehicles have
Red
to be
color.
stopped. Okay. Red
Stop.
color means stop. Yes. Now, when the signal turns yellow,
No.
okay, okay, turns the signal yellow, get ready. Okay, that means start your vehicles.
Ready?
Don't go ahead. Okay,
Yes,
wait
teacher.
for the greens. When the signal turn into
Oh,
the green,
in
okay,
color.
go. That means the vehicles move ahead. That the vehicles move ahead. Understood, everyone? These are the three signals which we see on the road. Red means stop. Yellow, get ready. And green show, go. Now, children, we will get some more information or more knowledge about the some traffic signals you look on the road. Okay, now see here, there's a sign board of stop. Okay, if you see these signals on the road here, vehicles can stop. Okay, this is the signals of stop. Next is parking. Okay, this is a some extra knowledge which you have to be gained. Okay, this P stand for parking. If you see these signals on the road, okay, P, that means we can park our vehicles here. Okay, we can park our vehicles here. P stand for parkings. It show the you can park your vehicles here. Next is P cross. That means non-parking symbol. Non-parking symbol. This is a non-parking symbols. Okay. If you see these symbols on the road, that means you do not park your vehicles here. Do not park your vehicles. Now, children, see these symbols. That means if you see these symbols on the road, that means the school is here. The school is near on the road. See, use only where there are schools near on the road. Yes. Understood, everyone? Now see, here is a traffic signals pictures. Okay,
Ready.
red means
Stop.
when when turns red, that means all the vehicles have to be stopped there. Okay, when the signal is turns yellow, that means get
Ready.
ready. Get ready. Yes. Now,
Ready.
when the signal turns into the green,
Grow.
vehicles move ahead or go. What should the P? P means what is the if you see the if you see the symbol of P, that means parking. Okay, P parking. That means you can park your vehicles. What this symbol show that
No parking.
non-parking. You cannot park your vehicles here. Okay. Now these symbols show there is a near school on the road. Okay. Here there is a school near the road. These symbols indicate. Okay. Stop. Okay. If this symbols is there, that means you have to be stop is stop
Stop.
here. Okay. Red stand for stop. Yellow, get ready. Go.
Ready. Oh, go.
Green. Yes.
Go.
Yes, children. Now repeat after me. Okay. When you go out into the street, yes, children, repeat after me. Okay. First I will read, then you have to be repeat after me, because listen, learn and read aloud. When you go out into the street, in
When
your
you go out into the street,
vehicles or on your feet,
you girl or on your feet,
look out for each traffic sign.
look out for traffic signs
Each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure,
to
and fine.
keep you safe, secure, and right.
Yes. To cross the road when you go walking.
When you go walking,
Cross the road when you go walking.
cross the
Please
road when you walking,
use the black and white zebra crossing.
use the black and white zebra crossing.
Okay. Traffic signal for vehicles.
Traffic
Signal
signal for
red, red.
red.
If a signal changes to the color red,
Is signal and color red to the red.
stop at once.
Stop at red.
Don't go ahead.
Don't go ahead.
Yellow,
Yellow. Yellow.
ready.
Ready.
Be very, be very careful
Be very grateful
when it turns yellow.
when it turns yellow.
Green.
Green. Green.
When it turns green,
When it turns green,
it is safe to go.
it is go.
Obey the rules without much fuss.
Obey
Obey
the
the rule without
rules.
much fuss. Obey means follow the rules. Okay?
Follow
Obey
the
the
rules.
yes, the rules. And reach home safe. And if reach home safe, you are precious.
Home safe.
You are precious. Precious means valuable.
You are precious. You are
Yes, precious. Okay, now tell me what is the rhyming word? Which are the rhyming word?
yes, teacher.
Yes.
Feet, feet,
Feet, feet, very good. Next one is sign.
sign, sign,
Very good, beta. Next one is walking, crossing.
walking,
Crossing.
crossing,
All are the rhyming words. Okay, red stand for stop. Okay, red stand for stop. Okay,
stop.
yellow
Yellow, get ready.
and green.
Go.
Okay, this is a
Stop.
red. That means stop. And this one is
Parking.
parking. That means vehicles can park here. This symbols indicate no parking. Very good, children.
Parking.
Okay, this symbol indicate
Use it only where there are schools near the road.
yes. Very good. Okay, this is a traffic lights. Okay, so all of you follow the traffic rules. When you go out here home, there's some traffic rules. Okay, that vehicles have to be followed. Okay, traffic rules, it is very important. Why? Because in road safety, it is a protection and prevention of road accident. Okay, if you use these traffic rules, we avoid the road accident. It is very important to know about the traffic signals. Understood, everyone? Red means stop. When the signals turn red, or when the signals turn red, all the vehicles
Red.
have to stop. Okay. When the signals turn green, okay. Now all the vehicles get ready. But when the signal turn green,
Green.
all the vehicles go or move ahead. Understood, everyone? Yes.
Is ready?
Yes. Very good, beta. Yes, all of you. Understood?
Yes.
Traffic rules. Okay. Traffic.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes. It is very important to know about the traffic rules. If you know the traffic rules, you can avoid the road accident. I hope you understood the concept of this lesson.
Yes, teacher.
Red indicates if you see
Yes,
the signal,
teacher.
if you see the signal turn into the red, that means all the vehicles have
Stop.
to be stopped. Very good. Green, when it turns into the green,
Go.
okay, when it turns into the
Ready.
yellow,
Ready.
yes, okay. If you see the signboard of P, it indicates
Parking.
parking. Okay. So all of you understood the topic, the concept behind the traffic rules. Yes. When you walk on the road, you should have follow the left side. Okay. आप जब रोड पे चलते हो तो you should walk on the left side. Okay, children, understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye, teacher.